just that. It's like a mountain of heavy shit.
So the thing is with the washing powder that it gets stuck in the door, so I would recommend putting the inside.
Oh, is it the washing machine?
drum, if that's
Okay, yes, yes.
Like a few things in it, okay? Just quite a lump.
Coffee and everything's still done. That sock didn't turn up, did it? No?
It's just this one here,
No,
but it's not
I think
the
that's
one.
carried.
Okay.
Oh, stick. Oh,
Here.
thank you. I'll fix that in a wee minute. I always do it inside it. And here it doesn't. Quite small, that wash machine.
How many?
Well, that's massive, that. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Oh, it's 800, so 9 cents.
Shit. Still
Okay,
don't have it.
yeah. Oh. Okay. 40 minutes. Oh, 30 minutes.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
So, remind me exactly.
Yeah.